Okay, Maya, picture this. You've got a monkey, right? Just a regular, happy little chimpanzee, and you sit him down in front of a typewriter.
Okay, I'm with you. Is he wearing a little suit?
Oh, absolutely. He's very professional. Now he's just hitting keys at random. Clack, clack, clack. He doesn't know what a verb is. He's just pressing buttons. The infinite monkey theorem says that if you let that monkey type for an infinite amount of time, he will, eventually, guaranteed, type the entire works of William Shakespeare.
Wait, the entire works? Like every thou art and wherefore art thou?
Every single letter. Hamlet, Macbeth, the sonnets, and not just once. He'd type it an infinite number of times. He'd also type the phone book, the script for every movie ever made, and every secret you've ever kept. If it's a finite text, that monkey's eventually going to hit it.
That is actually kind of terrifying. But also, how? I mean, the odds of just typing the word apple by accident seem pretty low.
Oh, they're astronomical. Let's break it down. Think about the word banana. Just 6 letters. If you have a typewriter with 50 keys, the chance of the first letter being B is 1 in 50. The chance of the next being A is also 1 in 50. You multiply those together and basically the odds of typing banana in 6 hits is about 1 in 15 billion.
Wait, really? Just for banana? 1 in 15 billion?
Exactly. It's tiny. But, and this is the Leo logic part, it's not zero. And in the world of infinity, not zero is everything. If you have infinite time or infinite monkeys, that 1 in 15 billion event becomes a certainty. Mathematicians call it almost surely.
Almost surely. I love that. It's like saying, it's definitely going to happen, but don't hold your breath while it does.
Precisely, because here's where the porch-sitting reality check kicks in. If you took every single proton in the observable universe, we're talking 10 to the 80th power, a number so big it doesn't even make sense, and you turned every one of those protons into a monkey?
That is a lot of monkeys, Leo.
It's a universe-sized office, and if they typed at light speed from the Big Bang until the end of time, the chance of them typing even a single page of Shakespeare is still basically zero.
Wait, hold on. You just said it was a certainty.
In infinite time, yes, but the universe is only 13.8 billion years old. That's like a blink of an eye to a mathematician. To get Hamlet, you'd need a number of years that is a 1 followed by hundreds of thousands of zeros. It's so far beyond the lifespan of our universe that it's operationally impossible, even if it's mathematically certain.
It's so funny how math can be so romantic and cold at the same time. Like the idea that everything that can be written already exists somewhere in a cloud of randomness. It makes me feel like we're just catching thoughts that were already waiting to be typed.
That's beautiful, Maya. That's exactly it. It's like the total library. The idea that every book ever written and every book that could have been written is just a specific sequence of characters.
It's a lot to wrap your head around. Honestly, it makes me glad we just have these conversations instead of trying to type them out at random.
Yeah, we'd be here a while.
We really would. You know, if you're listening to this and you're finding this whole infinite universe thing as fascinating as we are, you should join the loop. We do this every day, just diving into the weird and wonderful corners of the world. Come back tomorrow. We'd love to have you.
Yeah, get your daily curiosity fix. Anyway, there was this French mathematician, Émile Borel, who really popularized the monkey thing in 1913, but the idea goes way back. Even Cicero and Aristotle were talking about how if you throw a bunch of letters on the ground, they're probably not going to form a poem.
See, Aristotle gets me. He's the grounded one.
But Borel was using it to explain statistical mechanics, basically why things like heat move the way they do. It's all about probability. It's like, why doesn't the air in this room suddenly all rush into one corner and leave us gasping?
Oh gosh, does the math say that could happen?
Theoretically, yes, but the odds are so low that it wouldn't happen in a trillion lifespans of the universe, so we're safe to keep breathing.
Good to know. I'll keep that on my not to worry about list. It's amazing how a silly image, a monkey on a typewriter, is actually a bridge to understanding how the entire universe functions.
Right? It's the ultimate analogy. It's about the scale of never versus forever.
Well, I'm glad I spent this part of my forever chatting with you, Leo.
Same here, Maya.
Stay curious, everyone. We'll see you again soon.
See ya. Keep those typewriters ready.